There she is,
Hello.
Renee Wakefield. How you doing? How you feeling? How you feeling with that first paid in full client?
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Pretty
No.
pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Just pretty cool.
No, it felt good. And what felt good was the closer starting to make sense to me. Yeah. So like I think the first call that I sent to Dave was actually my third one, and I'd done one already that day, and I was so tired. I was reading the whole. I was so bad. It was just so bad. It wasn't funny, but it was because I couldn't. Oh, it's just awful, truly
Yeah,
awful, and it's so humiliating putting that up there. But it's got to be
yeah.
done.
That's how we learn. That's why how
It
we
has to
learn.
be done. That's it. And but it making sense, like because the woman who I had the closer with, she must have been new. I know now. I know now. She must have been new because, like, I talked and talked and talked and talked and talked, and it went on to like the
Yeah.
poor girl. She's probably so that was my, and it was a really odd experience to me. So it didn't make sense to me. The closer that's
Uh,
was
but then how have you seen that the difference and the change in terms of how you were and how you are now within your sales calls?
conversational. I feel like I can respond because I'm not. I was reading or like it in the stages as the questions, and a lot of the questions are repeated, and it felt strange. I understood the psychology of it, getting them uh, to feel enough pain so that they feel driven to take action, but I didn't quite get it. And then after actually listening to Dave's call, the one that was posted, and just watching a film, like, oh, that's much better. That's like
That's
that
much.
makes sense now. That makes sense now. All right, that
Yeah.
I can do. The other one feels strange to me. So, and that's why I was so bad at it because it just didn't make sense to me. But I was like, this is what Ed says. So I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna
Mhm.
do it. So
Yeah.
starting to make sense, and now I am having a bit of fun, just being more myself. And
Mm.
now I feel like I can be. Now I actually understand it. I can be a bit harder on people. So the instead of just letting them talk, the last woman, every time I asked her a question, she would go off on to telling me detail and story behind it, but she wouldn't actually answer the question. I
Yes.
was frank with her then. I just said, I just don't understand. Sorry, that's my dog.
Poor thing. Right. So, look, great stuff. Obviously, great distinctions in that sales process. You got your paid in full client as well now, so that's amazing. And you're still getting stronger. I know, I see you posting in the group, you're still getting stronger at it, with every single call. So that's great. How would you describe in terms of obviously, where you were before to where you are now, having gone through COA, the sales support, etc. Like, where were you before?
Like the whole journey, right at the beginning of COA or at the beginning of advanced sales.
Yeah, the whole journey, I would say.
So now I now I am I'm all right. Wait, I want to put this in the right way. So I feel like I'm on the path,
Mm,
and
mm.
that's it. So I know that I've got my funnel up. I know I've just got to refine it and get it stronger. The rest, the rest I can do. The rest I can take care of itself. The rest is laid out before me. That's that's the big. thing that I felt before, that I didn't know what I wanted to do. I didn't know. Yeah, it was a very vague concept that I had.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Yeah.
So through the journey, you've gotten stronger on essentially calling out that client better. You're getting stronger on the messaging, obviously uncovering the problem more accurately. I would also assume. Would that be right? Yeah.
Yes.
And so it's a whole, yeah, a whole cycle of development where you keep on learning to, yeah, just get stronger, stronger, right? So that's been an amazing journey for sure for you. Um, what have you enjoyed most about the training, so far? Like whether it be within COA, the sales support, like yeah, what would you say it is?
It's the sessions that I get to have with you, or that I get to have with Dave, that I can ask questions. If I don't understand something, I can deep dive into it, and
Hmm.
I can then pick it apart and get an answer. Because my brain is busy, and if I see something written, or if I see something in a module, I'll go, but did he mean this? But there's exceptions here. And so I actually get to ask the question and clarify it.
Hmm. Yeah. Totally. And what would you just tell someone who wanted to join COA?
I'd say that if you I, I was about to say, are you recording me so that this is going to be put up on? Sorry, you'll have
Be
to edit.
honest. Yeah, no, just
Yeah, you'll
be
have to
honest.
edit.
Yeah, be honest.
You'll have to edit out the pauses. I think that if you have a business, if you have a strong idea about what you want to do, then this will help you to get your sales, get your numbers, and get your processes in order.
Mhm. Amazing, amazing. Cool. Yeah, look, Renee, like at the end of the day, thank you for being here. It's been an exceptional journey. And look, we're just gonna get you clear now on just driving through, getting stronger the sales, getting stronger on calling out that ideal client for you, so that you can then start making this just consistent for you now. Yeah. So
Yeah.
looking forward to that part of the journey with you. Let's go do it.
Yeah.
Amazing.